Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today guys, a quick video. If you have a motorcycle with a rear drum brake, we'll show you how to remove the tire, the rear wheel. If you need to put a new tire, sprocket or something like that, stay with us. We'll walk you through the procedure and what you need to do. We'll be putting a tire, that's why we'll be removing it, but many people ask us how you do that on a one with a drum brake, because it's a little bit more complicated than a disc brake. Stay with us and we'll start on it in a minute. So how we do it, we usually disconnect the brake by removing that lock nut on the back, the one that you adjust the rear brake. Okay, so we'll just get it loose all the way and make sure that there is nothing in the way there. Okay, it's almost out. Perfect. Now it will just slide towards the back, so we don't need to even do that, but you can if you need to. Okay, like that. And you can go and move it towards the front now. Next you need to find the exact socket that will fit your nut on the nut side. You also have a bolt on this side, so if it's spinning you have to hold the bolt, okay, with another wrench. Okay, and make sure that you remember how you remove everything in specific order. Okay, just like that now. We're going to remove the bolt now. And it's still not coming out. Okay, so what we're going to do, we'll get a rubber hammer, okay, and hit it from this side a little bit. If you hit it too much, you're going to mess up the thread on it, so you have to be careful. Okay, just a little bit like that. Do not remove the whole bolt. That's one mistake people do. You just need to make sure that it's loose, like a millimeter or two on this side, so you can slide the tire, okay, forward and backwards. It needs to go forward so we can remove the chain. Okay, once the tire is all the way to the front, you can just go ahead and pull the chain out. Okay, like that. Now it's important how you remove the tire. Right here you can see where the drum is being fixed to the frame. Okay, you need to install it the same way. Stay with us, we'll show you how to do that in a little bit. You can see now this is the one that you use to get your chain tied. If it doesn't come out, you cannot pull the tire all the way to the back, so you will need to make sure that you pull the bolt a little bit more, maybe a couple more millimeters until it gets loose. Okay, so you can see we got it loose. Okay, it just needs a hair more. Okay, okay, right there, and you can flip it like that. Next you can grab the tire and pull it out guys. So that's how you remove the wheel. As you can see, not very complicated. So when you're ready to install the tire, everything needs to go exactly in the same way you pulled it out. Okay, this groove right here is the one that needs to go. The frame has another one, okay, sticking out right there. You gotta make sure that you install this one the correct way, and you need to make sure that you connect your brake as well. So that's how you remove the tire, the wheel on a bike with a rear drum. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.